Firstly, explore local landmarks. Every city boasts its unique landmarks, from historical monuments to modern art installations. Visit museums, galleries, historical buildings, and other cultural sites. Picture yourself wandering through the Louvre in Paris or exploring the ancient ruins of Rome. Each place tells a story. Each corner whispers a secret. Secondly, indulge in the local cuisine. One of the most enjoyable experiences when traveling abroad is tasting the food. Every region has its culinary quirks worth exploring. Imagine savoring sushi in Tokyo or relishing a bowl of pasta in Tuscany. The flavors, the aromas, the textures, they all add up to a feast for the senses. Thirdly, participate in cultural festivals. If your travels coincide with a cultural festival or event, do not miss out. This could involve music, dancing, theatre, or street performances. Picture yourself immersed in the vibrant colors of Holi in India, or swaying to the rhythm of samba at the Rio Carnival. These experiences often become the highlights of any trip, unforgettable and enriching. Fourthly, learn a few phrases in the local language. Mastering basic phrases like hello, thank you, and how much is this can greatly enhance your experience and help you connect with local people. Imagine the smiles and nods of appreciation when you greet a shopkeeper in their own language. Fifthly, take a walk in nature. Many countries offer incredible natural beauty that can be explored on foot, by bicycle, or even by kayak. Find a national park or nature reserve and enjoy the local flora and fauna. Picture yourself hiking through the lush Amazon rainforest or canoeing in the serene waters of Banff National Park in Canada. Sixthly, visit local markets and boutiques. Shopping at local markets and boutiques not only supports the local economy, but also gives you the opportunity to find unique souvenirs and handmade items. Imagine haggling over prices in a bustling Moroccan bazaar or discovering a hidden gem in a quaint boutique in Provence. Seventhly, participate in local workshops or classes. This could include cooking classes, art workshops, or even dance lessons. Immerse yourself in the local culture and learn new skills. Picture yourself learning how to make pasta in an Italian cooking class or mastering the art of calligraphy in a quaint Japanese village. Lastly, try alternative tours. Instead of the standard tourist trails, opt for ones that focus on alternative culture, street art, or even ghost tours. Imagine walking the graffiti-adorned streets of Berlin on a street art tour or exploring the infamous haunted sites of New Orleans. Every experience in a foreign country offers new opportunities for learning and entertainment. Enjoy your adventures. To recap, when visiting a foreign country, you can explore local landmarks, taste the local cuisine, participate in cultural festivals, learn the local language, enjoy nature, shop at local markets, join local workshops, and try alternative tours. Each adventure opens a new world of experiences and memories. So pack your bags, open your mind, and let the world surprise you.